Dear students, today we are going to study SST Chapter 7 Saudi Arabia, the land of the hot sun. In this chapter, we will study about the regions of arid and dry climate with no or little vegetation. These regions are commonly known as desert regions. We will take the example of Saudi Arabia. Important deserts of the world. The Sahara and the Kalahari Desert in Africa, the Colorado and the Mexican Desert in North America, the Atacama Desert in South America, the Great Australian Desert in Australia, the Arabian and Thar Desert in Asia. Saudi Arabia is located in the Arabian Desert. It is the largest country of the Middle East. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Now we will talk about location of Saudi Arabia. Most part of Saudi Arabia is located in Arabian Peninsula. Saudi Arabia has a long coastline. To its east is the Persian Gulf and to its west is the Red Sea. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of Saudi Arabia. Plains and rough mountains are located in the western part of the country. The central and eastern parts have dry desert and plateaus. The southwestern region of Saudi Arabia has mountains and is known for its fresh climate. Now let us see neighboring countries. Saudi Arabia has the following countries as its neighbors: Jordan and Iraq in the north and northeast, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain and the United Arab Emirates in the west, Oman in the southeast, Yemen in the south. Now we will see the climate. The climate of Saudi Arabia is hot and dry. During the day, the sun heats the sand, causing the day temperature to rise sharply, and at night, the sand cools very fast, causing the night temperature to drop. Therefore, the days are very hot and the nights are cool. Sandstorms are common in the desert. Strong winds carry sand from one place to another and form sand mountains called sand dunes. The shape of sand dunes changes with the direction of winds. Hill stations like Al Taf and Haba remain cool during summer. Now we will talk about vegetation of the Saudi Arabia. Due to very low rainfall, the soil of Saudi Arabia is not fertile. Less than 2% of the country's total areas is arable land. Some important plants growing in the desert are cati, thorny bushes and shrubs. These plants have long roots that go deep down in the search of water. The stems of these plants are fleshy and store water. Leaves are reduced to thorns to prevent the loss of water. In some areas, melons, dates, and tomatoes are also grown on a small scale. Now we will see the wildlife of Saudi Arabia. Animals that can withstand the hot climate and loss of water are found here. Camels are known as the sheep of the desert. They can stay without food and water for many days. They store water in their stomach and fat in their hump. Arabian horses and jackals move swiftly across the desert. Wolves and hyenas live in mountains, highlands. Pigeons and quails are seen near the oasis. In the coastal areas, flamingos and pelicans are common sight. Now we will see the natural resource of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is very rich in crude oil. One-fifth of the total petroleum of the world is in the Saudi Arabia and accounts for 40% of the country's income. Saudi Arabia is the largest exporter of oil. Oil is known as liquid gold. Some other minerals such as gold, silver, copper and zinc are also found here. It is also exports platinum, chrome, titanium and precious stones. Now next point is economy. The economy of Saudi Arabia largely depends on oil. It is the largest exporter of petroleum products in the world. Agriculture is done in a very limited area. Since there are no rivers or lakes in the country and also there is very little rainfall, water for irrigation comes by desalting seawater. Some of the major crops are wheat, rice, alfalfa and dates. Date palms also grow in oases. Now let us see transport of Saudi Arabia. By using the money earned by selling petroleum, a good system of roads has been set up. A railway line has also been laid between Riyadh and the eastern seaport. International airports are located at Riyadh, Jabdat and Darham. Jabdat is busy seaport. Now we will talk about life of the people of Saudi Arabia. Before the development of the oil industry, most of the people led a nomadic life. Even today, there are nomads who near sheep and goats. There are also as Bedouins. They speak Arabic. They travel in groups across the desert and camp near an oasis. The traditional dress for men is a long white cotton gown called thawb and a head gear called kurta. Women wear a gown called abaya and cover their face with a veil. Dairy products, dates, rice and meat are the major food items of the people of Saudi Arabia. Fruits and green vegetables are also eaten. Tea and coffee are popular beverage. Most people in Saudi Arabia follow Islam. Two famous Islamic pilgrim centers, Mecca and Medina, are located in Saudi Arabia. Muslims from all over the world visit these places. People speak Arabic, which is also one of the official languages of the United Nations. The discovery of oil and export of petroleum have changed the life of the people of Saudi Arabia. People have taken to a Western way of life. They are rich and they work with the construction companies, petroleum refineries, fertilizers, and steel and chemical industries. Modern cities with skyscrapers, latest facilities, schools, healthcare centers have emerged. Some of the important cities of Saudi Arabia include Riyadh and Jeddah. We will conclude the lessons. For your homework, read the lesson properly and learn question answers and exercise. Thank you.